Hello dear traders, you are watching a weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. In our program we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Technical analyst Petr Rikimovich will give us his expert advice. Unlike the previous week, this week the euro bulls are more hesitant to open long position. To sum up, amid a sharp drop of the US dollar, the euro dollar is set to finish the trading week with minor growth. Hi Petr, what trading sentiment do you foresee for the most popular currency pair?
Hello there, traders. I'm expecting a lower price in the euro versus US dollar. Basically, what I found and what I alerted you my previous forecast last week, that there is a double formation basically, and right now it's confirmed. This is a very good sign. Price is trading also below the 25 displaced moving average, and also there is a confirmed double top formation according to the daily time frame, and this is a very good sign of the weakness and that sellers are in control. My advice is to watch for selling opportunities and to watch for a first target, the price of 1.2100. This is also the support from the previous price action according to a daily time frame. And also, if you see the breakout of the 1.2100, then watch for a potential second target at the price of 1.1920, which is also a very solid support based on the price action according to a daily time frame. Again, confirmed double top formation. Price is trading below the 25 displaced moving average. Sellers are in control. Watch for selling opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
This week, the pound sterling slumped against the US dollar. Traders are in no hurry to open long positions on the pound. Could you please share your outlook for this trading instrument?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what I found is there is a breakout of the 2-week low, and this is the level of 1.3770. The price actually took this low, and there is also the downward channel I found, and price is trading inside of the downward channel. There is a breakout of the support according to a daily time frame of the 2-week support, and my advice also to watch for selling opportunities on the rallies on this currency pair. The first downward target is at the price of 1.3560, and this is the base of also the price action from the background. And if you see the valid breakout of 1.3560, then watch for a potential second target at the price of 1.3240, which is actually also very strong support. Again, price trading inside the downward channel, breakout the 2-week low. Watch for selling opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar.
Only the dollar-yen pair is closing the week with clear trading sentiment. How could you comment in this situation?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, basically what I found according to a daily time frame in the background, and as alerted in my previous forecast, there is a morning star candle formation which actually started the rally on this currency pair. What I also found that the level of 106.50 acting like a strong support, and there is actually some let's say support cluster building around 106.50. So if you don't see the breakout lower, breakout of 106.50, watch for buying opportunities, and the potential target, the first upward target set the price of 107.90, which is basically resistance from the previous price action, and it is also a Fibonacci expansion 61.8% based on the previous price action. And now if you see the breakout of 107.90, then the second target on the USD versus Japanese yen, second upward target will be set at the price of 108.70, which is a Fibonacci expansion 100% based on the previous price action. Again, morning star in the background. Price found the support near 106.50. Watch potential buying opportunities. Anyway, if you see the valid breakout of 106.50, price may go and rotate lower and continue in the downward trend. So for now, watch for buying opportunities with the first target at 107.90.
This week, investors still avoided risky assets. For example, today the Australian dollar is still losing ground against its American counterpart. What do you expect for the AUD-USD pair in the short term?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, basically, as like I forecasted in my previous analysis in the previous week, I found basically that that sellers came on the market, and what I'm seeing right now on the Australian versus US dollar is a one-time frame trading lower, which is basically a sign that sellers are absolutely in control on this currency pair. Now, most recently, I found the breakout of the very key support at the 0.7760. and this actually opened the door for more lower prices. And the second target, and actually a very strong support, is set at the price 0.7615. This is a Fibonacci expansion 161.8% based on the previous price action according to a daily time frame. Again, watch for selling opportunities on the rallies, strong selling pressure on the market, and there is a breakout of support in the background.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly Linkup on InstaForex TV channel. This edition has been presented by Tahmina Salomova and Petar Ikimovic, a technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We hope your trading will benefit from our recommendations. Don't miss our Linkup next week.